Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hari ni I have my friend Irene. She's a makeup artist too. And today I'm gonna do makeup on her. Dia tema dia macam Arabic Foxy eyes gitu. So first, as you can see, we cleanse the face and then we put toner, moisturizing toner. And now, also moisturizer. And then kita letak corrector all over yang places yang memerlukan lah any dark spot or any darkness on the skin. And then we put foundation. This one I forgot, tapi I think this one is House Lab Lady Gaga punya foundation. Which coat I mixed the coat, so I pun tak tahu what exactly the coat it resembles. So I put the House Lab foundation. It's lightweight and it's medium to full coverage. And then I use Ines contour, correct contour, I think so. Dia macam pen macam ni. It's actually a concealer or foundation / foundation. Tapi I use it as contour sebab warna dia macam like very cool tone and macam sangat nice kalau untuk contour. And then I put cream blusher. I put warna macam orange sikit. The reason so that nanti dia akan nampak bila dekat dalam kamera. And then I put the same Ines contour juga on the nose, and then to highlight the under eye so that the eyeshadow nanti pop out. I letak concealer, which I also forgot, but I just wanted to share the steps. And then I blend everything so that it looks macam smooth and faded gitu. And then I put powder, loose powder under the eyes just to set, sebab under eyes kan senang creasing kan. And then I put all over places yang I nak dinampak matte. Not all over the face lah, sebab later kita akan bake. And then tada, kita bake on the under eyes, for the under eyes, and then dekat bawah cheekbone, supaya dia nampak lagi macam macam tu. And also on the bridge of the nose, so tak adalah kita terlalu banyak contouring gitu. And then I put this one is Bobbi Brown, I think. I should not supposed to say the brand's name because, you know, with the Palestine and everything. But this is the eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow, and then I blend it using fluffy brush, and then I put darker color outside dekat bahagian luar of the eyes lah. And then I put macam to have a sharper foxy eyes, I put sticker, and then I just blend everything together, and I letak color gelap dekat bahagian luar and then color cerah kat bahagian depan. And then for the center of the eyes, towards the front part, I put a lighter color of eyeshadow. This one is glitter and shimmery eyeshadow, also cream from the one should not be named. And then I put I just blend. I think I put something like highlighter coat. And then I just put eyeliner. As you guys can see, eyeliner. So bila you guys letak sticker, so you don't have to really think about macam like how's my eyeliner gonna be sharp and everything kan. Tapi sebab later bila you cabut the sticker, it's obviously gonna be sharp. So now the moment of truth. GLITZKL, very sharp. It just I have to clean under the eyes using powder later. Very sharp gitu. And this technique menjimatkan masa. And then usually most of the time lah, kiri dan kanan akan nampak symmetry. And then I put kohl for the under eyes, and then I put eyebrow. I tak suka letak eyebrow awal sangat sebab nanti I takut eyebrow tu dia terlalu prominent, sebab I nak the eyes untuk nampak prominent. So I put the left brow and then the right brow using pomade and brow powder. Forgive me guys, I think I terlupa record yang under eyes part. Tapi as you can see, LVLI letak like blue chrome colour for the front part. And then to clean and brighten up the under eyes, LVLI guna two-way cake from NRC. And then for the rest of the face, untuk hilangkan the baking tadi, LVLI guna same powder but in different shade. Yang under eyes kita letak light colour sikit, kita letak medium. And for the overall, kita letak colour almond to match her skin tone and to remove the baking yang kita letak tadi. So baking kalau you biarkan dia akan nampak macam putih je kan. And then we letak contour. I believe this one is from Nong Chat yang Brow It by Nong Chat. I put the contouring and then I letak this this is not exactly a blusher, tapi dia macam bronzer, tapi yang highlighter bronzer yang we use for dark skin. Tapi Everly just put all over the face, yang kalau you guys nampak kat dalam palette tu yang warna paling gelap tu, just to macam not to use blusher sebab kita nak nampak dia bronzy. And then we put the lighter colour of highlighter tu dekat apple of the cheek. So dia nampak dimension. And then bila you senyum tu macam, besar betul pipi saya. And sorry guys, I think on the lipstick part pun I lupa nak record. But I use gloss. And then for the base colour I guna Melinda. It's from Thailand. Dia macam cream shadow, tapi sebab colour dia brown gitu kan. So I will gunakan dia sebagai lip liner and lipstick. And then to melt everything, kita guna Studio Tropic punya setting spray, and then we kipas-kipas, and then it's finished look. So this is the cream shadow Everly tambah just to make dimension. And this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much to listen me membebel. And I'm very happy to share this look. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Like and subscribe. And also share this to your friends. Bye.